Hello everyone, this is Martin here coming out live from Jupiter Securities in Kuala Lumpur. It's the 21st of December. I'm for another session of Friday Chart Clinic that we have, and these are the agenda that you see that we'll be talking about in our short 25 minutes to 30 minutes. There have been a lot of so-called questions and testimonies as well as the feedback about the magic scanner that we launched about 2 weeks ago, and we're getting very good rave review. A few people sent to me on the magic scanner. Let me just show you what we have show you on the magic scanner, right? What people have said about it. I think has been really great. Yes, can you hear you good, right? So some of these, like for example, Amy, he said that he found used look for Berjaya and came up with 6 Berjaya company and able to see which one is the best and select it, and that's why he says it's worth investing. And Aaron did look at it too, and it was magic and it's part of Arsenal. And also Intan was one of our graduates as well as also say good things about it. So you can read all about it at our launch here. Okay, let me just send this to you if I can. Uh, okay, this is the all right. So this is the promotional page. So that's it. We're gonna no, I don't want to do that. Okay, so this is the part that I want to talk about. So let's talk about the we had January 14 and 15. We did our first one will be the January and 14 and 15 2013. That will be our first foundation course that we'll be doing. Just take a note of that date here. I just want to tell you where you can get more information. That's our new dates for our foundation course that we'll be doing in uh, Kuala Lumpur here on the weekday. And what we do is it will be a live session here face to face. We have a couple of people already signed up. Myself, Bill will be here. You will get also MetaStock training on the second day. And many of you who have attended from our graduate can also re-attend back this at the minimal cost. We are doing this at our office in Jupiter. It will be Monday and Tuesday. That's our master, the market foundation course. Okay, so those of you interested, you can care to come. And we also have foundation course is normally done during weekdays. That's correct. Yes, because we're doing it live. That's right. So you can. We also have an offer here. If you bring a friend along, or more than 2 persons signing up, you pay 688. Okay, you pay a 688, and what you get with that is that you get our Friday chart clinic, which is one you've been doing. Also a course training material with a book worth, and also 2 books. Okay, one of Bill's book called The Millionaire Exit Strategy, or the 48 Tips, and as well my book Becoming Rich Fast. Okay, but I think what is more important is the MetaStock filter and also the MetaStock software training plus the historical data. So everything though those worth more than it is. I'm not going to go into the details, but for those of you who wanted to take, from just being a regular watcher, observer the stock market into making decent returns for your portfolio, for your family, come to our course. We don't have this class is very small, and we normally do it on more like a tuition one-to-one basis. There are already few people already registered for that one, so hopefully I'll be able to see you there. Okay, so that's right. Okay, so we have some magic scanner question that came out. We are addressing it, but in order to really look into all your question, what we intend to do is to have another magic scanner training. This is where I want your input. It's either going to be the last week of the year, although they did say today is the end of the world. It didn't happen yet. Who knows? We still have another 2 days. How many of you really think it was the end of the world? Send me a reply. Send me a reply. What do you think was the end of the world? Okay. Okay. How many of you think it was the end of the world? All right. Okay. If Aaron won't be watching this, yeah, Aaron, just another thing. Yeah, that's funny too. Okay. We're going to be doing another batch of the not so okay. So what we're doing is we're doing another batch. I need your date. We are doing scheduling another. Okay, scheduling. we are scheduling another magic scanner training. Okay, so please input, okay, last week of December or first week of January 2013. Okay, training is free and is on weeknights. Okay, can you input this? I just want to gather if the people in here are interested in coming. It's going to be majority. Can you all do that for me? Right? If you want to attend the training, the magic scanner training, don't worry. Those people who come for the magic training, magic scanner training, will get a week trial of using the magic scanner. Okay, we'll get a 1 week trial of the magic scanner. So anyone interested in coming for the magic scanner training? Just want to know that the training is free. I think some of you have already attended it, right? Okay, we got some feedback in here. Okay, some like it first week of 2013. Okay, that's some good indication. Anyone who we did record the magic scanner training. However, the recording wasn't that great, so I rather do this and get some fresh inputs from you all. Okay, right. Any more dates? Okay, first week. So we got a good indication. So the first week of 2013. Okay, that's great. Then I would know December will be traveling time. All right. Some like it last week. Okay, if you want the date, we'll go by majority, whether it be the last week or the first week of 2013 when we want doing the training. So just keep keying in. Why don't you do it? Why don't you have it on the day after foundation class, small community power station? Well, we can do it, but the whole thing is it's kind of separate because the foundation course, the focus is on trading, whereas on the magic scanner it's more on investing. So that's what is a different focus. I don't want to confuse people because you can still attend it too on the webinar. Okay, and on top of that, magic scanner you can do it very short within 1 hour. Although the last training we did, we took 2 hours. Okay, foundation is definitely much longer. It will take about 1.5 days because we got to go through a lot of things. You'll be doing some hands-on exercise. Okay, and on the magic scanner, there were a couple of feedback and testimony from people from our premium members. I already have a few of them. So those of you who have him, please claim your free bonus from me that you have sent to me, that you have used it, and claim your free bonus. If you have not claimed, so please send it to me because once you send your testimony or feedback to me, I will send you the free bonus. Okay. Okay, it will send you a free bonus. So those of you who start using the magic scanner, any feedback, so the premium members who is listening now, please send me your feedback and I'll send you the free bonus too. Okay, so we got that sorted out now. Just a bit of administration in here. Now what we have done is we have changed a couple of things. The first one you may not notice on the website, a little bit history behind what we're going to be doing now. Come 2013, 1st of January, we'll be migrating to a new system. Okay, we'll be migrating to a new membership system that can do a lot more better protection. As such, we are doing day-to-day modification on the website. You may not notice this, but definitely I got my programmers is looking to it. If you scroll right at the bottom of the screen here, you can see we have the menu layout, right, rather than the old way. Okay, so it is much better, in my opinion, to able to see all the charts in here. That then the top drop down in here can be a bit misleading. So when you see this, as the website is growing, and I think the website is really growing by tremendously as we get more inputs from our like subscriber and premium subscriber, what they want to see. So definitely you can see a lot more is happening in here, and you can see from here we have a different aspect of it, so you can actually use the website more for your benefit and for your education. Okay, we got videos, we got latest, and some career too, internship, and also for the members. This is for the members. You can see there are a lot of things we can talk about. Weekly closing bell, 5-year trending chart. So that's one of the benefit becoming a premium members in here. Also, I think regarding about the premium members, this is the page that I want to talk about. No, not this one here. Uh, okay. No, not this one. But this one you've seen before in here. But if there's a sign up for the premium membership, but anyway, that's not what I want to talk about now. The other thing I want to talk about is the charity that you can click here. Okay. Thank you for your support for the premium members. And I just want to show you. Last month we donated about 690 ringgit to the National Kidney Foundation, and this is the check in here. You can see we do monthly contribution, and one of the things that we do is that 10 ringgit of your monthly subscription actually go to charity foundation, and Bill myself will top up 5 ringgit on that one. So that's to help the needy group of people, especially in the dialysis in there, especially those people with kidney failure or family members or relative of family members who do know uh, or sicken with kidney disease would appreciate this a lot. So thank you again to the premium member for your support. So become a premium member and make some money while do some charity. Okay, so that's my report to the premium members, that your money is being put to good use on that one. Okay. Okay, this update in here. Okay, one of the updates for the premium members you may not notice. If you scroll right at the bottom, you can get this. Yeah, you can get your premium downloads. Okay, for the premium members, please click on this page. You can get your premium download here. Right. Now you may have to log in first. Okay, the login already been sent to you. Okay, so this is your premium download that we have, and we have promised that this is the Master the Market premium download. You can click on that to get the book, and also the Power Matter Stock book, and also the Four Secret of Pillar of Wealth book. Okay, and there are other stuffs too. Positive Thinking, the Key to Success book. This is for you to download if you're premium members in there, and also the Millionaire Mindset books. So these are a couple of things that I put up. Let's go back to this again. There is also the Power Meta Stock tutorial. Now once you log in, how do you know that you have? Is that when you log in to the website here to claim, as I said before, we have two login now. Okay, the old login where you can't access the premium download, but if you log in, there is anyway the user ID and the password being given. Just use it to log in. Your login ID is user ID and password given to you. You're able to access it. If you have any problem, just let me know and I'll send you some thing. So you can access this. You can say before, these books are here for you. If I find something that is Bill myself has written and I find it's good, it will be under the premium login. So that's why one of the things that we do is to show you this page here that you can able to get all the good stuff. Right, you can get all the good stuff in here. Okay. Okay, good. So the premium, we've done the premium login. Okay, what you have, and the other one is the members chart here. Just let me just show you the members chart. Okay, under the members page here, you can right mouse click on this one here. Again, this is for the premium members. I just want to show you what you're getting in, because I don't have time to do that much of a training. So in here is your membership number. You can log in. There's a Power Metastock tutorial, the premium magic, and you can log into Magic Scanner. So this is the one that you click on. You get the Power Metastock tutorial that actually teach you to do the tutorial in here. Again, you can download the manual here, and also this is the webinar that you can watch, which is about 1 hour long. That was I did a couple of years ago on how to use the Metastock training as part of your education too. So that's one of the benefit too, to be a premium member. So as I said before, things that I have, I will share with the premium members. Okay, so we done that one. Just check it out. This is a new thing, and do notice that we are making changes to the website to make it more accessible to all. Okay, how do you like it so far? We'll share some feedback. How do you like it so far? Is it alright so far? You like what you see? Okay. Okay, now the third one is done the charity, done the month. Alright. Okay. Not so. Christmas present. Yes, thanks, Sarah. Oh, maybe it's a Christmas present. Didn't realize there's so many things available. Yes, yeah, there is. I don't even, yes, Ming, I didn't even know there's so many things. As there's a basic chart here. That's a nice one too. I have this basic chart You can click on it. That tells you. I actually use the Yahoo Finance that you can key in the Malaysian. This is a public bank, and also you have the integrated together with the fundamental scanner too. Okay, the KLC funders are integrated in there. You can also get it. So there's a few things inside there. You can get public bank. You just key in here and you can compare. So that's for the basic chart. Okay, the basic chart in here. Okay, so in future when you come in, you do see this menu will be reduced to a lower base. In a quality company, best pick, there's a forum, economic news, testimonial, FAQs. So a lot of stuff in there. Spend your time to go in, right? Popular articles. Some of these may be also it's just getting to update this. Oh, this is a good one. I haven't looked into the blogger news. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, because you can see the blogger news here. Okay, so I'll try to make it as interactive as possible. Okay, back again. There's some download here too. What do I have for downloads? Yes. Oh yeah, this is Gavin's books. Free download to here. Okay, you can log on to this one here. Okay. Okay. There was a question posed by one of the intern is asking me to compare these two charts here. One is the FBM 70, which is the 70 component of the old KLSC chart, and this is the FBM 30. Now you know what is the thing that you notice between these two charts here? Can anyone tell me what do you notice between these two charts? The FBM 30, which is the highly market cap, and the FBM 70. Anybody can tell me the difference? Okay. Anybody tell me? Any difference between the FBM 70 and the FBM 30? Anyone? Just send me an email. And can anyone tell me the difference between these two? Moving the same trend. Okay, okay. Pretty much. Anyone else? I think that the answer I'm looking for is the degree. You see, this is the 200-day moving average, right? You notice which one has lifted off. Okay, bull run for 30th. Okay, so you notice that's right. You got it right, Aaron. Thanks a lot. That's the answer. So you notice the FBM 30 has run up a lot from the 200 moving average, whereas the FBM 70 has been the lagger. So what it simply says is that this run that we've seen, or the December, you can see it here and here, pretty much caused by the buying of the large cap. The large cap turn more. That's right, Gary. So that's saying that foreign funds institutions are buying the FBM 30 and they're pushing up. So to me, this is the window dressing. Now the key word here I'm saying is the window dressing. This bull run that we're saying is a window dressing due to foreign funds really buying to it. And what did they do is to move the CI higher. They just buy the high cap stock. So that's why it pushes higher compared to the FBM 70. Well, in terms of market breadth, you will notice it hasn't gone that high if you combine the KLSC 30 on top here, whereas the 70 in here. Okay, so that's what I would just want to explain, and today there was a question posed up, the difference between the FBM 70 and 30. Meanwhile, I will just get Bill to probably give you an update on the US side for US correspondent. Just wait a minute, I'll go over and call him. If you have any question, just give me a nod before we move over to pick a stock for analysis. Bill? Yeah. All right, Bill is here. I'll just get in and say a few words. Our U.S. correspondent.
Thank you, Martin. Well, I'm actually I have a few things to share with you, and there's been a lot of pessimism and apprehension and uncertainty going into the end of the year, and obviously everyone's talking about the fiscal cliff. But there's one thing that trumps all of that, and what trumps that is liquidity. And that means that every central bank in the world now is printing money to suppress interest rates. And that includes the Bank of Japan And the Japanese stock market has had a massive move upwards. Why? Because they're putting money into the economy, massive printing of money. New prime minister there, Abe of the LDP, has come in. He says we're going to raise inflation targets, print more money. Korea has a new president or prime minister, a lady, the first woman prime minister in Korea's history of going back 1,000 years. They've never had a woman ever in that position. Now they have. And this woman is very much, she's decided she wants to grow the economy, to have more growth and to stimulate the economy more, lower interest rates and put more money in. Now let's go over to Europe. Europe, the ECB, most of Europe is in recession, and Spain and Portugal and Greece are in depression. Massive unemployment, youth unemployment, 50%. So the political leaders there have decided that to stop a revolution in the street, they're going to print money. So then we go over to the U.S. You've got 50 million Americans are on food stamps. You've got unemployment is running out if the fiscal cliff happens to another 20 million people. So the only way out is printing money. It's been that solution since the time of the Chinese 3,000 years ago. Printing money is what politicians do to keep their job, to keep their power. So things have not changed. So in that sense, we're going to expect a lot more liquidity going into 2013. So that means you're going to see higher commodity prices. You're going to see higher housing prices. You're going to see higher stock markets worldwide. So I am bullish going into 2013. Forget about the fiscal cliff. This is a minor hiccup. Money, massive money printing trumps everything. Unfortunately, I was just talking to Mr. Angkok Hing, who is the Chief Investment Officer of Philip, and he showed me a very interesting chart from Morgan Stanley. I think I talked about it last week. And it simply means that because of the pessimism, the fear, the doom and gloom, there is a massive influx into bond funds worldwide. People are rushing into bonds. They're selling equity because they're so scared the world's coming to an end. There's going to be the fiscal cliff. Yeah, so my point is, this way, when you have the crowd rushing into something, you don't want to be part of the crowd. And what is coming, people are moving out of equities and into bonds. So that tells me that there's going to be a run in equities next year, simply because the crowd is not there. And the same goes for gold. Central bank continue to accumulate gold, especially on this recent correction, and the public is not fooled. Okay, one reason gold has dropped is because at the end of the year there's always a rush into liquidity. There's so much fear, so much fear. December is seasonally a weak month. However, the first quarter of the new year is usually a strong month, so expect gold and the metals to recover, commodities to recover. Now, I have something interesting that I would wish to share with you. Someone was asking me, what do you think of reading the Star newspaper for getting ideas for investing or reading The Edge? I say, well, most of the time what you read in the newspaper are lies or misinformation or propaganda. And you got to think, I mean, something you pay 1 ringgit 20 cents for, is that going to make you money? But actually, there's one good thing in the newspaper that I like. Two things, actually. The sports scores, the scores that's happened in the soccer matches and the football matches, that is the truth. And there's another page which is also the truth. And I love this page. I read it.
Page 15.
It's page 15 in the every Monday edition of the Star. And this is something I love to read because what it is, it tells me if I got a payday or not. Because it lists all the dividends that are paid by the companies here in Malaysia. And I know if I got a payday or not for this Monday. So that makes me very happy when I get a payday. So, and that's a fact, is a truth. Once a company gives you a dividend, declares it, they cannot take it back. And that money can be spent on real goods and real services. So that is why I always like dividend shares. No matter what, I know I'm going to get a payday. And that's wonderful. Paydays, taking money to the bank. So with that, I wish you well. And make sure you pick up next Monday's edition of the Star and check out the payments of the dividend. Okay, Martin?
All right, thanks a lot, Bill. That was Bill talk about his investment insights. Now, before we go over to the stock for analysis, we got a couple of people came in. Just a reminder, just people came in. We have our foundation course, okay, which is coming up. This, okay, beginning on the mid-week, mid-month of January, which is January 14 and 15, 2013. We have a few people already registered and interested. So if you are around the area of Kuala Lumpur or live in Kuala Lumpur, do come and check us out. And if you've been a listener or following the website, you definitely know that our course has brought a lot of benefits as well, not in terms of money, in terms of actually knowing about the market. Let me just show you this website that I have here. Again, that's to promote in. Let me just send this to you. Okay, for our foundation course, prices are all there. So let me know. Okay, the audio is quite bad today, is it? How's it now? Okay, if you miss it, I think you can check out the recordings of the Friday chart clinic here. All right, hope so. So now we're going to go over to our chart clinic now. We're going to look at a couple of stocks in here. One asked me to look at hibiscus. First one we're going to be looking is hibiscus. Okay, let's move this aside. Oh, I think I got a wrong spelling. 5199. Okay. Okay, hibiscus. Oh, good one. I like this too. Yesterday has a line change here. Okay, I think there was some news came out. They're trying to look for some drilling in Australia, if not mistaken. So that's a nice 5-day line change. But having said that, you know, if you look at it, if you switch it to a weekly chart, you will see that hibiscus really caught in a really sideways market. You know, look at the volume here. Just pay notice of the volume here. Okay, right. This volume in now, remember, hibiscus is not so much an investing stock; it's more of a speculative. And the long-term prospect of it, you know, they did came over to office and actually presented it. We kind of like it, but it's a highly speculative company in here. So, in my opinion, use it more for trading purpose. It may have a support here around 150 in here. On the shorter term, it will continue to congest. Again, depending on your time frame, I don't foresee hibiscus going higher in the shorter term. Perhaps if we do see, because the market has rallied, but hibiscus hasn't rallied yet. I mean, if you look at it from a daily chart, let's see where it is. It hasn't. Okay. Takaful. Okay, okay. The next one is okay. Before I go Takaful, the next one will be K-Post. Okay, K-Post. This is a good one. I think for you, for those of you who's been following it, we've been tracking this ever since Aberdeen Asset Management got used to it when it broke through here. The 5-day line change here. Even the analysts in my office also like it too. On the insider report that I posted on the 12 o'clock one, did tell you that, you know, Aberdeen plus a few more, even Mitsubishi UFJ are buying this. So this one is definitely going higher. If you check the magic scanner that you have it for the premium members, you may find it that the margin, the so-called the return on equity hasn't been that great. So the fundamental is not that fantastic. They're banking on the future of Post. Now remember, Post is moving away from the traditional revenue base. If you know what I mean by traditional, how does Post traditionally make money? Can someone tell me? How does Post traditionally make money? Okay, good. I got some reply. Oh no, it's just plant. Okay, that's not all the answers looking for. Okay, how does how does Post? So traditionally, Post has been making money from stamps and postage, but now they're trying to make money off from styling insurance and other value-added services like renewal of your driving license, sorry, renewal of your parking, renewal of your JPJ, yeah, those things they are looking into that now, you see. So those are the things they are looking at. So that's what to me may be difficult to forecast in the shorter term, right? Okay, next one is Takaful. Next one is Takaful. Okay, let's look at Takaful. Now, Takaful, like it or not, it's been a highly speculated in here. You got high volume in here. Normally, when you see high volume here, I expect market to push up. So this actually tells you there's a change of hands from the strong hand to another strong hand, perhaps because you got ultra high volume at this stage in here. It's holding up. It's not going anywhere. There's no edge actually trading in this stock here. Whether I would I buy, but I would like it to break at least 5 ringgit 60 cents probably before getting interested into it. Again, check the magic scanner if you have, look at the margins and what's it telling you. Okay. That's another one. HS plant, is it? HS plant. Can you add on HS plant? Again, what we teach you in our courses, I think if you remember, is that we don't average down. Okay, we don't average down, and that's to me will be a recipe for disaster if you average it down. This thing has broken the ice. It may go lower before it rebound back. Now, do notice that it is also trending down. You see that? Okay, it's also trending down in here. It may test $2.60 before it go back higher, so just be careful for that one. Any more? Okay, so that's for the 3 stocks that I have. Any more stocks you want me to analyze? Just send it to me now. Any more stocks? Okay, don't be shy, don't be shy. This is Martin here. Okay, can comment on BAT Alliance. Okay, BAT. Okay, BAT. Now BAT, you got to switch it to a weekly basis. Okay, you got to switch it to a weekly basis. Now the weekly basis on BAT is that you have a 2-bar reversal. It's going to be holding up. BAT to me it's a longer play. At this price about 59, maybe not too bad considering. But check the magic scanner, look at the PE. This is definitely investing one. Don't wait for it to swing up too high too. Okay. We got Alliance and MYEG coming up too. Let's look at that one. Okay, let's look at Alliance. Now people are getting okay. Okay, 1163. Okay, 1163. Okay, Alliance on a weekly basis. Let me just switch to a weekly basis. Again, this one is dripping back in again. Still on the downtrend in here. No edge at this moment. Wait for sign of strength. Okay. Mike, have you attended our main course before, Mike? Have you attended our main course, Mike? Mike C. Okay. How? Michael, Mike C. Okay, there's no answer from that one. All right, we're gonna look. There's just too many. No. Okay. So all right, good. Now, if you attended our main course, you would know that they look for sign of strength. Okay, sign of strength. Or if you're premium members, then you will see that. So look for sign of strength. Look for a 2-bar reversal. Look for test. Those things you want to do, and it will make you benefit a lot more to actually learn something about volume strategy, or perhaps get some sort of a lesson from our main course. So we are doing that. Our foundation course is something like you want to the JTI is always a good time to accumulate Ming. Okay, FGV. Let's look at FGV, MYEG. We've got just just quick one on MYEG. MYEG, good. This thing is breaking up 80 cents here, 2-bar reversal, so be careful. All right. FGV. Okay, FGV really, I think it's not going to go lower at this junction in here. Look at the low volume that we've seen in here. Okay, last one. Okay, we'll do the last one for Benelux, and that's it. We all want to close it. I don't take too long. Okay. Okay, Benelux, you have double top time to take profit in here. The market might just come back a bit more. Okay, so that's all I have for our Friday chart clinic ending 21st of December. But just a notice, we'll be doing our Traders Club in our Jupiter office on one of the Saturdays. I haven't got the date yet. So what we do, we also invite some of the like subscribers to come on a Saturday to meet us face to face at our office. So that's something we like to see who we dealing with. For those of you who are staying in Klang Valley or nearby Klang Valley, I believe that will be on the first Saturday of the 2013. So just have a good startup for the time being. All right, we will confirm you with the date and blast it out. So that's all I have for our Friday chart clinic for 21st of December. And for those our premium members, I'll see you on the evening session today at 4:15 for our closing bell. See you then. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.